Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to wrap the text around an image like the magazines. I already have one image ready. Here I will write the one title on the top and some text around here. So let's begin. First I'll take the text tool and write down the text on the top. Award. So my text is very small, so I need to make it bigger. Make it 950 pixels. Okay, press it enter. Now my text is big. Use the move tools to move it. Change the font of your text. And change the size, is little smaller. Little more smaller, maybe 800 pixels. 750. Okay. Okay. Now you can see that I want this S and H, this part below the person's head. So what you need to do is use your pen tool, and then first you need to zoom in to make a good, perfect selection to go in that area. So you can see the eye icon on your text layer. You click that on icon and hide the text, and then now use by using your pen tool make a selection. And click the icon. You actually need the selection up to here, but no matter, I have done up to here. Just come and close your selection. Okay, you have done your selections. Now the next is use your control plus enter to make the selections. Now what you have to do is you have to do the masking of this area. So what masking does is whichever area you have selected, it's remain as it is, and the rest area you do masking. So here do masking on this part. So what we need to do is we need to inverse it. So go to select and inverse. Now you have the inverse selection. Control and minus to zoom out. You may have noticed that here you see the selection. My selection is outer this part, and this part is not selected. So we are going to do masking on this part, and this outer part remain as it is. So after you do that one, go back again to the select, modifies, and apply some feather. Let's apply 5. Okay, now feather is applied. So go and select your text layer again, and then do the masking. You can see the button here, add layer marks. Yeah, click on it. Now you notice that we have done the masking on that layer, and the other part is remains as it is. Now we have done with the titles. Now we need to add some text around here. So again, go back and select your pen tool, and if you want to put some margin, you can bring the ruler here and leave the margin like this, and then start from here. Select and in your pen tool, and then use your text tool. Check your pixel. 750 is too big for the text tool, so put it like 150 points. Okay, now click on it here. The Photoshop will automatically insert the default text. So align the text, use the left align. Now you have aligned your text. To add more text, you can go to type and paste lorem ipsum, which will add your more text. And if you want to change your text, you just delete this one and add your own text. That's it. How you wrap the text around an image like the magazines in Photoshop. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you next time. Bye.